That one.
Yeah, the middle one's.
See what I'm going to do? I'm going to draw a line.
I find that the lines are very helpful.
So do I.
Like, it got marginally easier and better, I felt, when I actually drew lines.
Yes, one of the things you can also do is draw a line on the exemplar so that you see where it should be in relation. Very good. So do you know that, is this recording now?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. Alright, so your sizes are good. I mean, your measurements are very good. Your line flow is not great, and I think it has more to do with the poorness of the pen than anything else. But you should also let me try your ink.
Yeah,
because maybe your ink is too dry.
I think it is, because I put water in it and I think it dried out. I mean, it was in disuse for a while. I'll give you the ink.
No, but I want you to watch what I'm doing. Okay, so look on this. Look at your bottom and look at my bottom.
Right.
See how you're just stopping. What you want to do is make a slight curve at the bottom so that it just comes to a point.
Like over here, right?
Yeah, but it's different than over there because this is straight down. I mean, well, the motion of the pen is very different. You don't actually have to lift your pen. Here, I'll do another one down here. You don't actually.
You just stop.
You just
come to a point.
Now see, I have too much ink. The other thing is, like, this is straight. See, like that is straight. Now if you look here, there's a little subtle curve there, and even a little subtle curve here. It's not very clear. And see, you're doing that straight up. It needs to curve in a little bit. Mm-hmm. See, I have too much ink. Ooh. I'm losing it, Boris. Yeah, that second one was better. No, it wasn't. Ah! You're not recording that, are you?
Yeah.
Can't put that on YouTube.
Well, we don't have to make it public.
Okay.
I think what would be good is to just, if you actually could use just a clean sample of that on just a page that I could cut, and because when I get to the third line, if I have it on here in the middle, it's hard, it's too high. It's harder to judge the relationship.
I don't know what you're talking about, but that's alright. So you just need a little more curve there.
Mm-hmm.
Look how this is.
It's like up and down.
Well, it's like straight over and then up and then down.
I see.
So see how this hugs the first stroke a little longer than yours does, just a little longer. So then, because you're going kind of like that.
Is there a dot that fits in here?
Yeah, but it would be like one dot.
Right.
And see here, you could probably fit like a whole family. Well, I'm exaggerating, but see, you notice that my ink is a little too watery. Okay, now here I like rotate onto the tip of the pen.
Like you do
so
on raw, right?
Yeah, and you have to think about this being like an egg. This is the rounder, thicker part of an egg. This is one thing Zach can get. Okay, so see how yours is almost pointy. Still, there's potential. Now, did you go back over some of your strokes? Anyway, just watch.
I might have done in a couple of places, but mostly not.
This is the hardest letter. See, I roll onto the tip. And sometimes, I mean, I faltered there. Now, let's see. This might be too small. Yeah. Almost. So, ideally, I think you fit 2 there. And there should be 5, but you did that already. This is nice, Boris. It's a little more at an angle. And again, you're up on the tip of the pen. See, I've cut the pen thicker. That's, I need to be making them bigger. So you did that there. Very good. That's very nice. Like, I'm not even going to correct that. I keep forgetting I shouldn't correct the ones that are good. Okay, now here. So you have to turn the pen. You have to roll it.
Yeah, I see. I tried to read with it on top.
Okay. And I believe that is 2 dots. But look, I've done it a little bit more. Alright, now what's the deal with the scene? It's not bad. It's not bad. This needs to be a little thicker. Here, that's like too thin. Just make it a little thicker. And now, see, that bulges a little more. Ugh. Don't look at my work. Yeah, you could.
So I shouldn't go back over the letters if I...
Try not to, if you can.
Unless I erase it with like a knife and then redo it, right?
What kind of ink do you have? You may not be able to do that. See, this is good, but let me... There should actually be 2 there.
Let's see.
Now, did I do 2 here? See, I can... No, I didn't do 2 either. There should be 2. Can't write with the tip of this pen. I'm not as good as my Hoja. I also have it in Arabic yesterday. Yeah, that's better. So see how there's that there, and like the lowest part is in the middle. Yours is more symmetrical. It's not symmetrical, and the lowest part has to be kind of like maybe 1/3 of the way over. See that? That's still, you're getting the